Question 9, we proceed. You are told that in the number machine, this is a number machine question, that an input, if you have a number here, it goes through the machine, it will multiply it by 10, add 6 to it to give you an output. Therefore, you're asked, work out the output when the input is 14. So I have inserted 14 as the number here. It is going to multiply it by 10, which will give me 140. Then it will add 6 on it. So if it adds 6, what is the output? The output becomes 146. That's what I expect to be on my output. The next thing, we are told that here is a defined machine. So apart from this, we have got a defined machine here. Then we are told that if you input a number on this, it will multiply it by certain thing here, then add 9 to give an output. So you're told when the input is 11, we have an input here as 11. Then multiply by something to get an output of 64. How do we go about that? Let us have here, write a number on the dotted line to complete the number machine. Let us have maybe say that the number here, it is something like an A. Just any letter, any abbreviation that you want. Therefore, it will take the number 11, multiply by A, which will be 11A. 11A will be added to 9 to have 64. So collect the like terms. This small algebra here, you bring it to the other side to have 11A is equals to 64 minus 9. Therefore, we'll have 55. 11A, it is 55. So, divide by 11, divide by 11. Therefore, the value of A, it is 5. Therefore, write a number on the dotted line here. So the number representing A to be written on the dotted line should be 5. So that is how it is supposed to be done. Very easy. Can we look at question 10 of the same part? A very long statement here. Probability, some shapes, and space. Here is 30 counters. There are 30 counters in a bag. 13 of the counters are purple. So let us just write that down as an abbreviation. We have purples to be 13 out of the 30. The white are 11 out of the 30. The rest are red. So let us find red. The red, remember, is probability. That's why you can see the probability. That's why I'm putting in form of fraction. You must have a fraction. The 30 comes from the total. So if I have 13 and I have 11, that's a total of 24. If I add, that is 2, 4. So how many are left to make 30? 30 minus 24 to give me 6. Therefore, 6 over 30. Don't simplify anything unless it's in the answer. So the rest that are red are now 6. Write down the probability that the counter is a purple. So purple, 13. So you'll say 13 over 30. Its probability given a fraction, 13 over 30. Work out the probability that the counter is red. Red, it's here. You say 6 over 30. Here you can simplify. You can say 6 divided by 30 on your calculator, because 6 goes here 1, 6 goes here 5. So you can say 1 over 5. Quite impressive. So it is allowed. You can even write your answer as a decimal point. But remember, if it is a recurring decimal like this one, if you press, you'll get something like 0.43333. Don't write that. Just write as a fraction. But this one, it is it's not a terminating decimal. Therefore, we can just write our answer 0.2. Any of that can be answer. Some people can say 20%. Still no problem. How you write your answer, you will be marked as correct. Next, a counter is pulled back into the bag. The counter is put back into the bags. The counter is pulled back into the bag. Cleo now puts 10 more counters into the bag. Yeah. Good. We had 30 before, but now we have 10 more, make it a total of 40. When a counter is taken at random from the bag, the probability that it is white, it is 2/5. How many 10 counter that we have put bag are white? Trying to juggle our mind, but let us see. They were 30 before, now they are 40. So something over 40 should give me 2/5. So let us see what number here do we have. Taking this to be the number of white, let me give it a W, so we can cross multiply so that we have 5W is equals to 80. Then divide by 5 on both sides. Therefore, the new white out of the 40 are 16. And remember that the white before were 11 on this part. Therefore, how many more? What do you do? How many more from this bag? You say 16 minus 11 to give the answer as 5. So it means that the white that has been put into the bag are now 5. Rather, now if we decide to use the ones that have been removed, there's no removing here. It was just adding. Therefore, the right answer there was 5, and that is how it is supposed to be done. Very easy. Question 11. Question 11. Another statement question. You're told that Pablo buys some ticket to go for a theater to watch something, I don't know. 3 of the tickets are for adults, 3 adults. The remaining tickets are for children. Each adult ticket costs 12. Remember, you bought 3. So we have adult, we have children. 3 tickets for adult. Nice. And the remaining that I don't know is for children. The cost for the adult is 12. The children ticket each cost 30% less than the adult. So 30% less means percentage 100 minus 30. So it is 70% of the adult's cost, 12. Use your calculator very fast. Don't waste time. Times 12. 8.4. That is the cost. So down here we have the costs. Cost. You're told do not write here. Down here we have cost. And up here we have the tickets. That's it. Cost and ticket. So let us see. The total amount of money that Pablo pays for the ticket is 94.80 euros. Find the number of children for the tickets. Let us say the children are C. Therefore, we're going to multiply 3 times 12. 3 times 12 to give me the cost for the adults plus the cost for the children. 4.4 times the cost for the children, I don't know, should give me a total of 94.80. Multiply here 36 plus 8.4c is equals 94.80. Collect the like terms. This one goes this side, so that we have got a subtraction. 8.4c is equals to 94.80 minus 36. Use your calculator very fast. Avoid errors. 8.4c is equals to 58.8. Divide by 8.4. Divide by 8.4. Therefore, the children that went there were 7. Work out the number of children. 7 children. Easy. Very easy for 4 marks. Question 12. Here it is. Nice. Some statistics here. You are told that Pam plays netball for her school team. Here are the number of goals she scored in the last 8 games. Oh. The number of goals are written in order of the size, so from the smallest. Find the range of the number of goals Pam scored. Range means range. Range. Understand the meaning of range? Means you have to take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number. Very easy. The big minus the small. So the bigger number here is 14 and the small number is 1. Therefore, the range score is 13. 1 mark. Done. Find the median. Median means what? The one that has got many appearances. In the middle, the median, the middle number. Then the mode goes for the many, middle. So we're going to cut out. We have 1 going with 14, 1 going with x that I don't know, 2 going with 6. Then we have 2 numbers at the middle. So if there are 2 numbers, we add them, then we divide by 2. Therefore, we'll have 5 divided by 2. That one can be my answer. You can write your answer as 5 over 2. Or you can still write your answer as 2.5. Or you can write 2.5. All of those are marked there. So write one. Don't write all of this. This is for the teacher. The mean number of the goals Pam scored is in the 8 games is 5. The mean is 5. How do we find mean? Mean. You are going to add everything. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus x plus 14 divided by the 8 games should give me 5. Therefore, cross multiply this like over 1. So we'll have a quick addition: 14 plus 6, 20, 23, 25, 27, 28, 29. So we have 29 plus x over 8 is equals to 5 over 1. That is the same as 29 plus x is equals to, cross multiply these two to get 40. Bring this the other side. We have done that severally. So therefore, x is equals to 40 minus 29. Easy. The answer of x is 11. 3 marks. Total 5 marks. Very easy. Proceed to the next question, 13. Some diagrams. Good. Some diagrams here. You are told that the perimeter of a rectangle. Here we have got a rectangle. This is the rectangle. And this is the triangle. Which type of triangle is this? Because it has got these 2 horns here. Means that these 2 sides are same. So here it is 8. We call it an isosceles. But this is a rectangle. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the triangle. This perimeter is equal to this. How do we find perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle is equal to 2 into length plus width, or 2 length plus 2 width. It should be equal to the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is equals to what? Is equals to the sum of the 3 sides. It means side plus side plus side. That is 8 plus 8 plus 12. Here we have the width as 5. Therefore, we will say that we have 5, 2 length plus 5 times 2, 10 is equals to 28. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 8, that. Collect the like terms. 2 length is equals to 28 minus 10. So 2L is equals to 18 divided by 2 divided by 2. Therefore, the length is equals to 9. But what are they asking? Find the area of the rectangle. To find area is equals to length times width. Therefore, 9 times 5. Answer, 40 centimeter square. Easy. 45. Next, diagram below shows a cuboid. The volume of the cuboid is this. Find the W. How do you find volume? Volume is equals to length times width times height. Therefore, 231 is equals to 7 times W times 6. So 7 times 6, we know, 42. Therefore, 231 is equals to 42 W. Divided by 42, divided by 42. Therefore, 231 divided by answer is 5.5. Easy. Centimeters. That is how the answer is supposed to be written.